Hello, it's Max. Welcome to No Code Nerd. We're talking about Outgrow today. And Outgrow, very, very simple. What it lets you do. Have you ever seen those really cool little quizzes, for instance, that you go into a website and let's say it's like a wine quiz, right? I go to winequiz.com or whatever the heck, and I have no idea if that URL is real. And I say, what wine should I get, right? It walks you through a couple of questions. It's embedded on a website. It's a very simple little process. Maybe it's a chatbot. Maybe it's a little quiz or a little system or a little calculator or something like that. It goes through that process. You answer a few questions, and then by the end, it recommends you something, right? I think they have a really cool example down here where it's like choose your color, right? And then it'll tell you the savings that you're getting. Um, you have a little embed form here. You can like anything you could possibly imagine when it comes to quizzes, onboarding little quizzes, lead gen quizzes. This is really popular mainly for lead gen, right? Increase lead conversion rates. That's the main thing. Qualify leads and add value to make sure the right people are actually going into your kind of lead box. In this case, they're trying to sell sunglasses by recommending the right sunglasses based on your face shape. Anything that you need in terms of lead gen, embedding it on a website, or just qualifying who's going through a lead process, Outgrow's got you covered. It's an extremely flexible tool. So if you need to really build anything in that kind of space, you can embed it on your website, you can embed it on an app, whatever you need to do. I like the calculator function. I think the calculators are really cool because it tells you like this is how much you'll save per year, right? I like that as a sales strategy. Cool. Let me know if you have any questions on how you could use this to get better lead gen for the product or service that you're selling. I'll see you in the next episode.